24 a day.
Right, it's only 24 in a day. And what happens when you stop working? The money stops coming in. I learned that very early. And so I wanted to get involved in real estate, so I went to a friend of mine who was a real estate broker. I said, can you give me some business? Because in New York, attorneys are involved in everything. Real estate, I mean, you don't go to the bathroom without calling your attorney, right? So he said, there's this couple, they're buying a condo from this developer who took an apartment building and converted it into condos. How many people have heard of that before? Well, you have. So he took an apartment building, converted it into condo units, sold them individually, made a lot of money. And this is the last sale, and these nice old couples buying this condo. Can you represent them at the closing table? Now, unlike here, everybody was there. The seller, the buyer, the lender, the title company, the brokers, everybody sitting around the table, right? And I pretended to know what I was doing, because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Because I'd never done a real estate closing before, and they didn't teach me that in law school. They teach you this theory, like, how to be intimidating and how to